Hello viewers, today let's see how to make elephant yam and Malabar spinach curry. So that is KandhaBachali kura. So for that I took one elephant yam. It will be around 2 pounds I guess. It's quite a big one. And this is Malabar spinach or the bachali kura. After peeling them and chopping them into cubes, I soaked them in the buttermilk and salt, the rock salt, for some time because if not, our fingers will get itchy when we are handling the yam. So we have to put the gloves on. I soaked it for 20 to 30 minutes and then I rinsed it off. And these are the pieces after rinsing. Separate the leaves from the stems, and because we are just going to use the leaves, and chop them. Soak the lemon sized tamarind. Take some urad dal, chana dal, mustard seeds, jeera seeds, hing, turmeric, and soak a tablespoon of mustard seeds in the water for half an hour. We also need curry leaves and green chilies, but I haven't used the green chilies because I'm making the less spicy version for my mom today. So I took the chopped yam at the bottom of the cooker, and then on top of it I cut the leaves and poured a cup of water. I'm also taking the onions. Traditionally they don't use the onions because they do it in the Kartika Masam usually. So that's the reason they don't use the onion, but otherwise we can use it. Pressure cook it for 2 whistles and check if it is cooked. This is cooked, so drain the excess water, we don't need it, and smash it together. Put the pan and heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, and added all the tamarind, mustard, jeera, chana dal, urad dal, red chilies, curry leaves, and hing. Since we are not using garlic, we are using hing. Add a little bit of salt and cook them well. Let the dals get roasted. All the tempering and the onions are cooked. So now add the mixture of yam and spinach and give it a good mix. Add a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix and do a taste check. Add a little bit of red chili powder. and add the tamarind juice. Mix them well. Put a half teaspoon of turmeric also. Mix it well and do a taste check. So this is how it looked, and I actually cooked it for 5 minutes and switched off the stove. And after switching off the stove, let it get cooled. Meanwhile, we have to make this paste. Take the mustard seed what we soaked, and put them in a blender and make a fine paste. It almost took 5 to 10 minutes for me to get that fineness because the mustards are so little. So I had kept on grinding, and once the curry is cool, mix it well. Serve it after 3 to 4 hours, and it tastes so good. All the mustard flavor, the sourness and everything will come together. So thanks for watching.